One of the many confusions concerning climate change is understanding the difference between weather and climate. What is the difference?
Weather is the state of the atmosphere at any given time and place. Familiar aspects of weather include temperature, precipitation, clouds, and winds. Severe weather conditions include hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards, and droughts.
Climate is the long-term average of the weather in a given place that develops over longer periods, usually taken over 30 years. At various times in the Earth's history, the climate has changed in response to forces such as large volcanic eruptions, changes in greenhouse gas concentrations, and shifts in the Earth's orbit around the Sun. When scientists talk about climate, they're looking at averages of precipitation, temperature, humidity, wind velocity, phenomena such as fog, frost, and hailstorms, and other measures of the weather. You can think of weather and climate in a sense of what clothes to wear. Weather is what you're going to wear for that day, and climate is what you have in your wardrobe.
One argument against anthropogenic climate change involves a recent event across a large portion of the United States which the media coined as the polar vortex. Climate deniers are using this recent event, which brought extremely cold temperatures across the United States, as proof that the world is not warming.
However, another different weather extreme could be found in Australia, where temperatures rocketed to the 50 degrees Celsius mark just days after it was revealed that 2013 had been the hottest year in the nation's history. In October, New South Wales was ravaged by a series of bushfires. This shows that one weather event does not reflect on the climate over the whole globe.
To recap, weather is the state of the atmosphere at any given time and place, whereas climate is the long-term average of the weather in a given place, typically a 30-year average. Climate changes in response to forces such as large volcanic eruptions, changes in greenhouse gas concentration, and shifts in the Earth's orbit around the Sun. The reason why climate change is so important is because it affects every person, every animal, and every ecosystem on Earth. Remember, weather is a short-term event. Climate is a long-term event. One weather event is not a reflection of the global climate. Earth's climate is changing. 97% of climate scientists agree that the Earth is rapidly warming due to human contributions.